Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 9 of the live meditation experience where I'm going to be leading you, guiding you through a meditation, a live meditation every day for 21 days. I cannot believe that we're already at day 9. Getting to almost the halfway point makes me feel like I think we need to continue these. I think I need to continue these. I didn't do the regular time today because I went to the movies. I saw If Beale Street Could Talk, which is the film adaptation of the novel by James Baldwin, one of my favorite writers and social justice warriors. He is truly iconic, and I recommend, if you have not read his work, then go out today, hit up Amazon, or better yet, your local bookstore, and buy something by James Baldwin. The movie was fantastic. I highly, highly recommend it. And because I watched a movie that was so heavy and also so inspiring, but heavier than inspiring in this moment, I think I'm just going to bring it down a couple notches and give a regular old breathing meditation for centering, for de-stressing. When I watch these types of movies, I start to wonder if it's possible to keep seeing the good in the world, because it's a daunting task. There's a lot that's wrong. There's a lot that is bad. And I don't usually use those words, but in this case, it is true. Injustice, social inequality, racial inequality, these are bad and wrong things that we must resist, that we must fight with all of our might every single day. I know that it is something that I think about almost with every breath, how even this, even wellness, even mental health tools, medications, access to doctors isn't available to everyone. So that's why I do this stuff for free, so that as many people can partake as possible. And just to remind you, my book, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, is under $10 in most places online. If you cannot afford it, please hit me up via email using the link on my website, BEXLIFE.com, and I will help you happily. So no shame, reach out. And also, these videos and many, many, many more, hundreds more of mine are available on YouTube. So youtube.com/BEXLIFE. So please share them with your friends. Let's get to this. Let's get to this, beautiful folks. I want you to find your easy or comfortable seats. So sit in any way that works for you. It's good to be nice and tall in your posture. So breathe your shoulders up to your ears like so with your inhale. And exhale, rolling your shoulder blades down along your spine. One more time for good measure. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Your chest should be nice and open, your shoulders broad, the crown of your head pointing towards the ceiling or the sky, your chin parallel to the floor. You may close your eyes if that feels safe and comfortable, and if it doesn't, go ahead and find a point across the room or on your screen to gaze upon. Whenever I'm feeling lost, stressed out of my body, untethered, ungrounded, I call on my breath to center me, to bring me back to a space of peace and calm. So I invite you now to draw your attention to your inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. No stress on changing them, no pressure to manipulate your breath pattern. Just go ahead and observe your breath as it is. Allow your breath to be an affirmation of your aliveness in this moment. Know that you are here on purpose, made with purpose. That because you have the power and the ability to breathe, to draw in life, that you have an important job to do. You have a sacred duty. So as you follow your inhales and exhales, as you observe intently, ponder that sacred duty. Ask yourself, where does my joy live? How may I serve? And know, just as you've been gifted life, you have gifts to share with the world. And allow that to make you feel so good. Like I said, when I feel lost, confused, untethered, ungrounded, I return to my breath for affirmation that I am here on purpose and made with purpose. I choose to pay attention. I choose to acknowledge and to feel into my power. I choose to share my voice and my joy with the world. I have been gifted with this life, and I have so many gifts to share. Take that in. Take those words as your own. Affirm your purpose. Affirm your power. Affirm your ability to receive gifts and to give gifts to the world. Let the next 3 big inhales and letting go exhales further affirm all that we've said here today, all that we've felt here today, all that we know now. Inhale with me. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, let go. Inhale, filling all the way up, nice and slow. Exhale. Whenever the world feels like too much, whenever you feel too small, return to the power and steadiness of your breath and allow it to affirm that you are here on purpose, made with purpose. With our next breath cycle, we will open our eyes and return to the world Feeling good, alive, joyful, centered, grounded, excited. Inhale. Exhale, open your eyes. Sometimes when I get too relaxed, I get the giggles. Thank you so much for joining me for that reset. I know just by virtue of the fact that you all have showed up here today, that there's good in this world. And that our collective consciousness, just here, just in this little space, is enough to send ripples of love and goodness out into the world, magnifying it, creating an effect that lifts up so many. But those good vibes are not enough. It starts with the feeling, and it moves forward with action. So ask yourself today, how may I serve? But not just the easy stuff, not just, a smile, not just, tipping extra, which is good, tip your waitresses, folks, and waiters. How may I serve the least among us? How may I lift up and center those who are continually, systematically, intentionally, institutionally oppressed, left out, discarded, disregarded? Ask yourself that question. Take some action. And if you need help taking action, ask in the group, because there are many mighty warriors for social justice and activists in this group that will be happy to share where you can put your energies. As always, I want to thank you, because I love you, I love you, I love you.